Hey everybody, welcome back to Purple Fit Photography. For those of you who are new here, my name is Matt. Today we're going to be unboxing the Hollyland M2 Lavalier Wireless Microphone. So as some of you guys might be able to tell, I'm using my camera's microphone right now. So once I plug this into my phone, I will let you guys listen to the sound quality. I've heard really good things. This is the second version that Hollyland has come out with. The first one I didn't get to try, but I've heard good things from those as well, so these can only be better. So opening it up, we have a few things. We have the packing list, which is everything you're gonna get inside the package that comes with the combo. You have a little after sales card, just showing you guys where you can contact their support or get in touch if need be. And then these are also some stickers that come with it. So the Hollyland is actually a very small, versatile microphone, and you can put these on the ends of it. Probably most of these you won't use, but you do have some white ones and some black ones which could color code with shirts if you need to. So that's pretty neat. They offer that in the package. Now you do have with the combo package 3 separate adapters that go to the iPhone, the Android phones, as well as your cameras. So Hollyland has made it very easy for you guys to be able to be compatible with anything you need it to be compatible with, which is very nice. You also have your little charging pod here. And there you have your 2 lavalier microphones as well as your camera adapter. Good quality material. The pod is very easy to carry around with you inside your bags, which is very nice, very sleek. You have your battery indicator down here at the bottom. So you do get the camera adapter for controlling the volume. Right now I'm using my iPhone camera, so I am going to be using the iPhone adapter that comes with the Hollyland M2. So let's power the lavalier microphone up. Now once you see this flashing blue light here, you can pair it with your phone or your camera or whatever you're connecting it to. That blue light will mean that it's ready. So before we get into the sound quality, Hollyland actually provides you with a few more accessories. So you do get a USB-C charging cable, the input adapter for your camera, and there is also 2 separate ways that you can actually clip the microphone, which is through these lanyards, or you also have these clips right here that magnetize onto your shirt. Now you can also take these magnets out of the lanyard and place the magnet inside your shirt and clip it onto your shirt like that. Now the last thing they do provide is your dead cats. These are pretty big, so I probably won't be using these in my videos. As you can see, the size of the dead cat just really isn't practical. I mean, it doesn't look too bad, but unless you're wearing something that's dark, it's gonna show up visibly when you're filming. So it's probably best not to have this unless in extreme cases where it's really windy, then this will definitely help you out very much. Now you guys are listening to the audio coming through the Hollyland M2. I will be seeing how this sounds in post, but I'm sure it sounds great. This is definitely a great combo for anybody that wants to start filming and having a microphone that is good quality for a low price. Hollyland has done a really good job at providing you with the accessories that you need. So now I came outside just to give you guys a quick idea on how it sounds with the range. So I am about 10 feet away from my phone. Now I'm about 50 feet away from my phone. Now I'd say I'm about 100 feet away from my phone at this point, still going further back. The range, I'm not sure exactly is how good, but I guess we're gonna just test and see how far we can go without it cutting out. I am walking around the lakeside here. So I'm about 200 feet away from my phone now. I got some wind coming off of the lake. Not sure if you can hear it. I do have the dead cat on right now, so it should still sound pretty good. This does have a noise cancellation feature. I'll be going over that in another video. Now I do like the fact that even having my hoodie on, this still clips very nicely to my hoodie. And I am kind of taking back what I said earlier. this doesn't look too bad on camera. I am going to be doing a review on this microphone to see the actual sound quality, how I feel about it. So I will leave a link to that once the video is up. I'm going to be leaving a link where you guys can get this microphone for yourself as well in the description, so be sure to grab that. That's about all I have for you guys for today. If you guys appreciated this video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe for more content like this. I do post weekly. And as always, thank you for watching and happy flying.